M. Identify the primary purpose of integrated reporting. The primary purpose of integrated reporting is to explain how an organization creates value over time. It provides insight into how strategy, governance, and performance lead to short-, medium-, and long-term value creation. The report links financial performance with environmental, social, and governance (ESG) considerations. By doing so, it enhances accountability and supports informed capital allocation decisions by investors and other providers of financial capital. Integrated reporting improves the quality of information available for decision-making. It moves beyond historical financial results and emphasizes forward-looking information about risks, opportunities, and resource allocation. This broader perspective enables stakeholders to evaluate sustainability, resilience, and strategic alignment. Ultimately, integrated reporting aims to support long-term organizational stability and responsible stewardship of resources. N. Explain the fundamental concepts of value creation, the 6 capitals, and the value creation process. Value creation is the central concept of integrated reporting. Organizations create value by transforming inputs into outputs and outcomes through their business model. Value is generated not only for shareholders but also for other stakeholders and society. Over time, value may increase, decrease, or transform depending on strategic decisions, risk management, and external conditions. The focus is on sustainable, long-term performance rather than short-term financial gains. The 6 capitals represent the resources and relationships used in value creation. These include financial capital, funds available for use, manufactured capital, physical infrastructure, intellectual capital, knowledge and systems, human capital, skills and experience, social and relationship capital, stakeholder relationships and reputation, and natural capital, environmental resources. Organizations depend on and affect these capitals through their activities, and changes in these capitals influence long-term viability. The value creation process links inputs, business activities, outputs, and outcomes. Inputs consist of the 6 capitals. Through the business model, these are transformed into products and services, outputs, and broader consequences, outcomes. Outcomes may enhance or diminish the capitals. The integrated report explains how this dynamic process supports strategy and long-term objectives while responding to risks and opportunities in the external environment. O. Identify elements of an integrated report. Organizational overview and external environment provide context. This section describes the organization's mission, vision, ownership structure, operating context, and key external factors affecting performance. It explains industry conditions, regulatory influences, and market dynamics. Providing environmental context allows stakeholders to understand how external forces shape strategic decisions and value creation potential. Governance explains oversight and accountability mechanisms. This element describes the governance structure, board composition, leadership responsibilities, and ethical framework. It demonstrates how governance supports value creation and risk management. Strong governance ensures alignment between strategy, performance, and stakeholder interests, reinforcing confidence in long-term sustainability. Business model, risks, strategy, and performance are core operational elements. The business model explains how inputs are transformed into outputs and outcomes. Risks and opportunities identify key uncertainties affecting value creation. Strategy and resource allocation show how objectives will be achieved. Performance evaluates progress using financial and non-financial metrics. Outlook provides forward-looking expectations, while basis of preparation clarifies reporting frameworks and measurement approaches. P. Identify and explain the benefits and challenges of adopting integrated reporting. Integrated reporting enhances transparency and stakeholder trust. By combining financial and non-financial information, organizations present a comprehensive performance view. It improves communication with investors and supports better capital allocation decisions. Internally, integrated reporting fosters integrated thinking, leading to improved strategic alignment, risk management, and resource allocation across departments. Adopting integrated reporting can strengthen long-term performance. Organizations benefit from clearer articulation of strategy and stronger connections between ESG factors and financial outcomes. This approach may enhance reputation, attract long-term investors, and improve sustainability practices. It encourages forward-looking planning and greater accountability for social and environmental impacts. Challenges include complexity, cost, and measurement difficulties. Collecting reliable non-financial data can be resource-intensive. Determining material information across the 6 capitals requires judgment. Integration of systems and cross-functional coordination may be difficult. Additionally, because the framework is principles-based, comparability across organizations may vary, potentially limiting consistency for users.